guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI. YFI is currently at the $8,623 level. We are currently ranked at 251 with a market cap of about $287 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $28 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, so for YFI in the last 24 hours, we are up about 2.9%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is steady to source, right? And one of the things we have been looking at right here for YFI, especially on the chart, is this symmetrical triangle right here, right? So we have been looking at basically this symmetrical triangle, stating the fact that we probably, with a very, very high likelihood, could see prices continue to range in this symmetrical triangle, probably till towards the 15th right here. Before we see some sort of breakout very, very close to the halving, where we could see a breakout either to the top or to the bottom, right? And we said symmetrical triangle usually are a 50-50 pattern, right? Usually, even though we see them break to the top, but many times also we see them break to the bottom, right? And so we said we would continue to monitor this sort of triangle to see which we are going to see, or to see where prices are going to break out. And trust, the moment we begin to see some sort of breakout, I will make a video informing you of that. If we are just looking at right here at our EMAs, which we love to use apart from our normal price action. As you can see right here on our EMAs, our prices came exactly to the bull market EMA. We have retested the bull market EMA, and we are seeing this sort of bounce right here for YFI. So this is very, very good, as usually every time we retested the EMAs right here, we have seen a massive bounce right here for the chart, for YFI, right? So this is a bounce. So we are already trying to reclaim the macro EMA, showing that this is a massive bounce with momentum, and so we could still see further more upside, right? So, but basically, as regards price action, we continue to monitor the symmetrical triangle right here to see if we could see that breakout happening anytime soon, right? So basically, that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.